Hey guys, so I had to come on here because I've been just dealing with the worst of the worst with this online hair store called Ebonyline. So let me take you back. So August 18th I put an order in. That was a Saturday. I put the order in, I paid for it, everything, and I selected the 3 to 8 day shipping. Yeah, I selected that. So I'm waiting, and you know, normally with companies you get a receipt and everything. Never got a receipt. So I ordered 4 weeks, y'all. It's like $100 some. So I ordered 4 weeks, didn't get a receipt for it. The only way I could like check the progress of my order was just going on Ebonyline's actual website, just to like look at the fact that I purchased it, because that's all you can really see with no tracking number on there or anything. So I called, I think it was Tuesday, and that was the, let me look, make sure I got it right. I ordered on 18th, so yeah, I called on Tuesday. No, I called on Thursday, and I was like, you know, this is my order number. I haven't gotten my order. I haven't gotten my receipt. I didn't got no tracking number. Like, what's going on? Like, when can I expect this to be here? Because if it's gonna be like forever before it comes, I don't want it. So the lady was like, oh yeah, you know, your order is just now being shipped out. On the 23rd, it's just now being shipped out. Yeah, it's on its way, so you should have the tracking number within a few hours. Okay, so I wait. Never got a tracking number. So I'm like, okay, well, let me just wait. Let me just give it a day, see what happens. Nothing. So Monday roll around, and I emailed them. I called them, I didn't get an answer. I emailed them, and so I'm like, hey, you know, I don't got no tracking number, I don't got no receipt, like I don't got nothing, and I need something for my order. Like, I need to know what's going on, because I'm really getting frustrated at this point. So I got a claim number, no, a ticket number for my issue. That was it. She was just like, your order is gonna be sent out. And no, she said my order was being sent out and I should receive a tracking number within a few hours. Yep. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but yeah, you won't. So yeah, she pretty much said, dear customer, your order is with the shipping department, and we'll have a tracking number available within the next few hours. You'll also be receiving an email with the tracking number once it's been shipped. Okay. Now that was yesterday on the 28th of August at 10 in the morning. So I never got anything. I never got nothing, anything. So this morning I'm like done, like done. So I emailed them. I'm like, you know what, just keep your wigs and give me a refund, because at this point you're the second person telling me I'm gonna have my tracking number within the next few hours and I didn't get it. So I just give me a refund, because it's a lot of other online stores selling these same wigs that can get me my products within the shipping time frame. Like, you guys are way past it at this point. So once I said all that stuff, I got an email back 20 minutes later, and the lady pretty much is, you know, apologizing for the fact that I haven't gotten my tracking number or my receipt of all things. So I'm like, I keep all of it, like I don't care. But I look, another email come through. Y'all, why they send me the receipt? Like, I'm not even kidding. If you guys could see this, I know that you probably can't. Yeah, it's pretty much so it's my receipt with the 4 weeks I ordered, bill to, ship to, all of this information is on here, and my method of payment is on here. I look at the time that this was sent and the other email was sent. Both of them was sent at the exact same time, 9:29 a.m. both of them. So I'm just so done, because I've been sitting here waiting for these wigs. They have not came. Customer service sucks. They tell you the same thing whether you're gonna call or you're gonna email, and I just feel like I'm a customer and I'm paying with my money out of my pocket, and you can't send me my products in the time frame that I'm paying for is a problem. The fact that I can get on YouTube and see that these other girls who are doing reviews for Ebonyline can get their stuff on time, no problems, no issues, no nothing, but the people who paying can't. Like, I have a problem with that. That's not good customer service to me. That's like, you want your company name to be out there by having these people to do these reviews for this company, but you can't take care of your customers who are actually paying their money for the products. Like, that doesn't make sense to me. So I just felt like I needed to come on here and share my experience with this company, because don't get me wrong, like, I have ordered from them before in the past, and I always do the same shipping. I always catch them when they got their sales. You know, I know even when they don't even have sales, I still be ordering from them. And I guess it was just like the wrong time, like cherry on top type of situation. Like, I just want my hair, well, my wigs that I ordered, that I paid for, and I can't seem to get from this company. Like, wigs in the past that I ordered from them, they came late, but it was only like a day late. This is past a day late. Like, if I had something to do around this time, and I'm like pretty sure these wigs would have been here if they were shipped out on the right amount of time, because I ordered on a Saturday and she's like, oh well, we don't work on the weekends. That's fine. That's fine. But you work Monday, you work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You couldn't get my order out on a Monday if I ordered it on a Saturday? You couldn't even get it out on a Tuesday? Like, that don't make sense to me. Like, either you got the product to send out or you don't. And then another thing with that is, like, they give you the option to choose something else if what you're ordering is not there at that time. And I did that and I didn't get anything. Nothing came. So don't waste time ordering from Ebonyline, because regardless of what kind of shipping you choose, you ain't getting it in that time frame. You just not. Like, count a month, then you probably get it. Like, it's just ridiculous. But you go on here and you got all these other girls reviewing for them, and they get their stuff on time, and they're not paying for it. They're getting paid to do it. They're not paying for the wigs themselves. But the people who are paying can't even get their shit on time. Like, come on, sis. You gotta know you are not the only company out here selling these wigs. And you don't got the best prices, so at least have some damn good shipping. That's the least you could do. So, I don't know, but I feel like I just need to come on here and share my experience because it really just upset me. Like, I'm just over the top and done with it. Got my money back. They sent it. They did something right. One thing, refund. Like, I'm over it. So yeah, I just had to come on here and share that experience with you guys and let you know what it is, because nobody got time. I don't. So if you would like to see more videos from me and hear me go on with my attitude and all this kind of stuff, like and subscribe. I ain't got an attitude all the time, but when I do have one, you're gonna know about it. Yeah, so like and subscribe this video to receive the little notifications every time I upload. Hit the little bell so that you can get those and stay current on whatever's going on in my life. Like, my channel is all about my life, my journey, everything. So it's gonna be everything on here. Like, literally everything that's going on with me will be on this channel. So again, my name is Jasmine. Thanks for watching. Just trying to put y'all up on game, let y'all know what Ebonyline is about. Nothing. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.